Hej og velkommen tilbage til DanishTube. Mit navn er Liam, og ja, jeg har både en hue og shorts på, og nu kan jeg godt se, at det er lidt af en modsigelse. Men, whatever. Hey, my name is Liam, welcome back to DanishTube. Yeah, I can see now that I have a hat and shorts on, and that's a bit of a contradiction. But whatever. Dagens video, den skal handle om, random phrases. Det er random phrases number 5, og lad os bare gøre det. Let's do it. DanishTube. Random phrase number 1, det er ikke så tosset. Det er ikke så tosset. Which means it's not so crazy. Which is kind of a modest way, if you like, to say that something is good. So the example I always give is that if I'm recording with my friend and I record a vocal and it's pretty good, he might turn to me and say, det var ikke så tosset. Det var ikke så tosset. Meaning, det var godt. That was good. Number 2, that is, tag dig sammen. Tag dig sammen. Tag dig sammen. It means get it together. Come on, get it together, man. Tag dig sammen. You can use that in a few ways. It could be like, I don't know, you're emotionally a wreck and you need to tag dig sammen. Or you just need to do something, get something finished, Get yourself together. Come on, pull yourself together and get it done. Tag dig sammen. Nummer 3, det er, du må have spist søm. Du må have spist søm. Du må have spist søm. You must have eaten nails. Which basically means you're talking shit. Like what you're saying doesn't make any sense. And you must have eaten nails. Nummer 4. Ja, 4. Det er at tabe tråden. For eksempel, jeg har tabt tråden. Jeg har tabt tråden. Which means I've lost the thread. So it's like when you lose yourself in a conversation or an idea, you sort of losing the meaning, you've lost hold of the thread. Jeg har tabt tråden. Nummer 5. Æblet falder ikke langt fra stammen. Æblet falder ikke langt fra stammen. The apple doesn't fall far from the trunk. Yes, the trunk of the tree. So you know the one that the apple doesn't fall far from the tree or whatever it is. My friend said this to me recently when he looked at a photo of my son and saw that he basically looks like me. Æblet falder ikke langt fra stammen. Nummer 6. At smage sin egen medicin. Or smage sin egen medicin. We have the same one in English this time. To taste your own medicine. Nu har han smagt sin egen medicin. Nu har han smagt sin egen medicin. Now he's tasted his own medicine. Which means you've basically... how can I explain that? Which basically means that you have experienced something that you have maybe inflicted on other people. I don't know, for example, you have done something that has, hurt somebody and karma has come back to bite you in the ass, and now you have tasted your own medicine. Nu har du smagt din egen medicin. And the last one is just, genius. It is at give fingeren. Or at give fuckfingeren. That would be these two things. At give fingeren, to give the finger or the fuck finger. For example, jeg tog hans parkeringsplads, og han gav mig fingeren. Jeg tog hans parkeringsplads, og han gav mig fingeren. Probably a situation we've all been in before. So it's very literal. It's like, you're giving... I should stop doing that, really. You're giving the finger. But it could also be a bit more abstract, if you like, when you are doing something because, basically you are giving the finger to something. I don't know, it could be... Jeg går aldrig med mundbind. Det er min fuckfinger til covid-19. Jeg går aldrig med mundbind. Det er min fuckfinger til covid-19. We're kind of past that now, right? But it's just an example. I never wear a face mask, and that's my fuckfinger, or that's my finger to covid-19. Sådan, det var tilfældige fraser nummer 5. Jeg håber, at I kunne lide det. That was random phrases number 5. I hope that you liked it. Remember, give a like, follow this channel so you can get some more cool videos. If you enjoyed this video, you can donate any amount that you feel equal to the information you received. And otherwise, if you are looking for Danish lessons, I'm your guy. I know how to help you out, so write to me if you feel like learning some Danish privately online. Otherwise, vi ses i den næste video. Hej hej. DanishTube.